Hey guys, so I recently picked up a Marc Jacobs palette on sale at Marshall's. It was $19.99, originally $30-ish. I'll look up the price and put it below because it's not usually what is on the sticker. This is the Style Icon number 7, number 214, the Night Owl. Comes in this sleek black box. Once you open it, it comes in this like protective pouch. And this is what the palette looks like. It's gorgeous. The inside is even prettier. These are the colors that you get inside. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this eye look and swatches, then just keep watching. They're not named, so I start off with this bone shade right here all over the lid. And then taking a blending brush, I'm going into the deep plum up here on the outer corner. Then using a clean finger, I'm going to go into the teal shade and put that on the outer third. And then I'm going to go back in with that plum shade and just deepen up the outer corner here. And then using a clean finger, I'm going into the gold color. And I'm going to press that on the inner third here. Going back in with the green, I'm just going to add a little bit more on top, just so we don't lose it completely. So you kind of get like a, I don't know, ombre duochrome look there. And then using a small lip brush, I'm going into this like champagne color just on the inner portion. Just really brighten that up. And then using the same little lip brush, I'm going to go into the brown and smudge it along the lower lash line. And going in with a little bit of plum, I'm just going to deepen up the outer portion. And then I'm going to take some black liner and create a little wing line, and we will be almost done. This is the Maybelline Gigi Hadid felt tip black liner. My liners are never the same. One usually goes up, one usually goes out. But this is the look I created using the Marc Jacobs palette. I think it's really pretty. I'm gonna hop off, add some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I added some mascara to finish off the look, and I am obsessed with the way that this turned out. I love the kind of like champagne to gold to limey green to purple, and I love this gradient of color on the lids. I think it's so pretty. It's so flattering for my eye color. I have like green, blue, gray eyes. They change color depending on what I'm wearing on my eyes or on my body. And I just think this is so pretty. Can you guys see this? It's shimmery, but it's not too much. It's colorful, but it's not in your face. I just think it's so fun So I hope you guys enjoyed my swatch and tutorial of the Marc Jacobs palette. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.